I'm Surabhi. I'm a content creator and a plant-based chef. Come, I'll show you my kitchen. Hi, so I'm a chef and a content creator, so you can imagine I spend all my time, I literally live in my kitchen. So I wanted to create a space where I feel happy and I feel inspired to create content. So you'll see a lot of really interesting pieces which also help me during my shoot, because I don't have to set up 2-3 spaces for my shoot. I can literally just get my camera in my kitchen and shoot. So you'll find this interesting roti dabba, which is an antique piece which we got from Cochin. Then you'll find these tiny wooden boards which I got from Bali, and this mortar and pestle which I got from, which is a 100-year-old piece from Afghanistan, which I got from Global Village in Dubai. Also got this steamer. It's an antique steamer in which you can make idlis and appe and stuff, and masala dabba, which is, I think all my followers on Instagram are crazy about this masala dabba. Everybody wants to own it. This is from Lucknow. I got it from Aminabad in Lucknow. And not to miss this, these ladles are again, they help me to shoot. I don't cook with them, but they are so beautiful, and you will see them a lot in my videos. So I'll show you this closet which has a lot of really interesting stuff. So there's this plate, which is again a 100-year plate from Afghanistan. There is a lot of tiffin boxes. So as a chef and a content creator, it's extremely important for me to be organized. I cannot function in chaos. Therefore, you'll find all my cupboards are extremely organized. My spices are all in glass jars. I don't use plastic. You'll hardly find any plastic in my kitchen. So everything is in jars. I just have to pick whatever I need and it goes back. Thank you for watching this video. For more such content, subscribe to LBB's Homely newsletter.